millions of people eat bananas every day. But what if one common habit is quietly causing blood sugar spikes and making you feel hungry sooner? Bananas are one of the healthiest fruits you can eat. They are packed with potassium, vitamin B6, and fiber. But here's the mistake. Many people eat a banana by itself, especially when they are very hungry. Because bananas contain natural sugars, eating one alone may cause a faster rise in blood sugar for some people. So, what's the better way? Pair your banana with a source of protein or healthy fats. For example, a handful of nuts, plain yogurt, peanut butter with no added sugar. This combination helps make the meal more filling and can slow digestion, helping many people stay satisfied longer. And there's one more tip. If your banana is slightly green instead of fully ripe, it contains more resistant starch which may support gut health. So remember these three simple tips. Don't eat bananas alone. If you want a more balanced snack, pair them with protein or healthy fats. Try a slightly green bananas if you enjoy the taste. Small changes like these can make a healthy eating easier. If you learned something new, subscribe to The Food Book for more science-based nutrition tips. See you in the next.